Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to make money from Amazon jobs. So this is an interesting website, like a job portal where you can apply for jobs in Amazon and start making money. So you also have student internship, which is what I'm going to concentrate in this video more. Have you ever dreamt of having a job in Amazon? Because it is seriously an awesome place to work, because the environment and the office interior decor and everything, it's, you know what, state of the art thing that I have to tell, because it is really nice. Now in the homepage you can actually search for jobs according to your location. Amazon has over, like, worldwide offices, but it has head office in USA. So you might try searching for your location. If it is there, you can try applying for it. So these are all the common jobs, full-time jobs, like around 1800 jobs are available in India. uh, but in this video I'll be concentrating more on jobs that are available for students. They have student programs, which I think it is really an awesome way to learn, and also by making money. uh, you know that's a great option to earn money while you're studying itself. So I will give you tips and how to land into a successful internship. So as now I am able to see around 80 open jobs available for students. So this will be the process, guys. It will take at least 1 year for you to land into a job. So it is a great thing that you have to apply for this job before a year. Like if you are going to take up an internship in your fourth year of education, then you have to apply it in third year itself. So you have to apply, you will be waiting, and after 4 months or 3 months, after reviewing your application, they will be contacting you. You'll be having interviews, and after like 6 months or 7 months you will have onboarding process if you are selected. And then after like 12 months round, you will be landing into the job. So that is how clear the process is. You don't have to worry about anything. Now you will have internships seen in this tab. You can search according to your location as usual. And you can, the very important thing that I have to mention here is you have to search internships according to your study category. Like if you are studying about IT and computer development, something like that, then search internships according to it. So it is better, like you will be getting jobs based on that. So it is better that you apply jobs according to your study course category. So these are all the qualifications required. So read about it. This is just like a usual job application portal. They would have briefly described about what are all the qualifications they want. Like say you have to finish your education on this by 2020 or 2021, and you should have good excellent skills in these are all areas. So you'll have all those things and a short description of your job. So these are all things will be covered. So read about it, read about the location, and apply according to it. And also this is not gonna end here. You have opportunity for remote jobs also, like you can work from wherever you are. So there are around 1096 full-time jobs and 26 seasonal jobs. Seasonal jobs are something like occasionally offered. So now before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now these are all the jobs. As you can see, these are actually very similar to other job portals. um, you have to click on it, read the description, select according to your category on job type, apply it. When you give your resume, they will be contacting you for further information if you are selected. And with that interview, you might be getting a date for joining, and onboarding process will take place. Now read the basic qualifications and preferred qualifications clearly. And Amazon jobs website will be keep on updating, and a lot of jobs keeps coming up, and it will be like, it keeps coming. So I will be updating all these jobs, and whenever a new job is posted, I might inform you in my Facebook page. So it is same like Online Money Goals. Facebook page is there, so you can check it out if you want. I will be posting whenever a new job is updated here. You can check with that. Now, if you have any doubts on this website, you can feel free to post it in the comments below. And meet you all in the next video, guys. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other recommendations or suggestions, you can leave it in the comments. I will meet you all in the next video. Bye.